Prepare before use. Install dual side brushes. Press down side brushes to secure them into place. Squeeze latches to remove the dust/water tank. Open the tank lid. Fill the tank with cold water. Place the tank back into the robot. Position the self-emptying base. Download Eureka Robot app from the App Store. New robot found. Connect a vacuum cleaner. First time start clean. Full cleaning. Add zones. Add no-go zones. Room cleaning, zone cleaning. Schedule cleaning. Choose cleaning modes. If the robotic vacuum is trapped, remove the machine and secure the carpet with tape. Care and maintenance. Empty the dust cup. Remove the dust cup by moving it vertically upwards. Press the lower dust cup release tab and empty the trash into the bin. Press the upper release tab to open the top of the dust cup. Take out the sponge filter and the cyclone. Rinse with clean water. Make sure it's completely dry before putting it back. Place the cyclone and sponge filter back into the positions. Place the dust cup back into the self-emptying base. Care and maintenance. Clean the filter. Open the lid of the dustbin and take out the filter. Clean the dustbin, the filter, and filter mesh with water. Make sure it's completely dry before putting it back. Care and maintenance. Clean the brushes. Release the cover plate of the main brush and pull it out, and lift the right side of the main brush to take it out. Pull out the side brush. Cut the hair entangled on the main brush with the blade and brush of the hair. Install the main body brush into the main unit according to the directions shown in the figure. Care and maintenance. Clean the mop. Release the mop assembly and clean it. Remove the mopping from the mop holder. Wash the mopping cloth in water and dry it. Place the cleaned mopping cloth back to the mop holder. And reinstall the mop assembly to the robotic vacuum.